Welcome to the AutoX USA facility. As you can see behind me, the Cybertruck assembly line is in full swing. These robotic arms ensure precision build quality. Welcome to the future of automotive manufacturing here at Auto Expert USA. We combine precision robotics with skill.
Traditional craftsmanship meets the future. The coils are prepared for the next stage of automated etching.
Check the tolerance on section 3.
Looks good. Proceeding to the next step.
From the structural welding you see behind me to the final laser etching of the product details, automation drives our quality.
The stainless steel for the Cybertruck requires immense force to bend. This press brake applies over 100 tons of pressure to get that perfect angle. We utilize the latest in precision tooling for the chassis assembly,
Gauge reads green.
ensuring structural integrity across the board. The integration of human expertise and robotic precision is central to the Cybertruck production line.
Automated precision is key here. As you can see, the alignment bolts are now showing green, indicating a successful lock.
With the chassis secured, the robotic arms move in. Monitoring the torque readings ensures the drive units are installed with absolute precision.
As you can see, the drive units are installed with pinpoint accuracy by the robots.
This assembly line represents the pinnacle of modern manufacturing, combining heavy robotics with meticulous human oversight.
This is where the Auto Expert chassis comes to life. The automated systems ensure flawless construction before the manual installation begins. Check the GPS calibration on the main display.
Looks good. Responsive time is within parameters.
This is the future of automotive manufacturing. Our robotic systems handle the heavy, ensuring
Here at Auto Expert USA, we utilize the latest in robotic precision to ensure every panel fits perfectly. Once we get the panel positioned on the cart, the automated system takes over, lifting it into place with incredible precision.
As you can see, all vehicle systems checks are complete. With 100% battery, we are clear to proceed to the next stage of testing.
Keep it coming slowly.
Watch your left side clearance.
All right, easy now and stop.
Hold steady on the left.
Okay, clear to move forward.
Watch the clearance on top.